Today I am teaching about these letters. First point is, please note the point. Whenever you see, what is this letter? Yeah, whenever you see alif, so please only alif without any symbol, it's alif. If you see with any symbol like a up there is anything or down anything, so it will be convert into hamza. Alif will convert into hamza. Sound will be same, but we will call him hamza, not alif. Okay. So now tell me please, sister, is this alif or hamza? There is something top of this. Right. And this one? Hamza. And this one? Hamza. Right? Hamza. So now there is question, what is this? Right? This one and this one. These three symbols. What is this? Why there are like these symbols? Actually, every symbol has sound, every symbol has name, every symbol have a rule and movement and like this. So first I am explaining about this one, Sister, this one like a slash, like a line, like this. This is actually zabar. What is this? What is the name of this? Yeah, zabar. I am writing here. Okay, here. Z A B A R. Zabar. Zabar. Whenever you will see like this slash top of any letter, upside of any letter, it will be zabar. Okay, zabar will never come down of the letter, bottom of the letter. Zabar will come all the time up. Okay, this is zabar. Another one, this one name is different. Okay, so tell me please, what is this now?
Zabar.
Okay, and what is down one, this letter? Hamza. Why hamza? Because reason is actual this letter is alif, right? Actually, but we are saying hamza. Why? Because now there is zabar. Okay, now there is zabar. So now I am asking some questions. Please be ready. What is this letter? And what is this?
Zabar.
Right, ayn zabar. Read together. Ayn zabar.
Ayn zabar.
Right. What is this?
Ayn.
And this one?
Zabar.
Right. You can read now all the letter like this. Ghayn zabar.
Ayn zabar.
This one? Qaf zabar.
Qaf zabar.
Yeah, there are two things. One is qaf, then is zabar. One is jim, then is zabar. What is this?
Jim. Zabar.
Right, together now.
Jim zabar.
Very good. Next one, sister.
Ya.
And
Zabar.
so ya zabar.
Ya zabar.
And down one is
Lam.
and
Zabar.
so lam zabar.
Lam zabar.
Ra zabar.
Ra zabar.
And this one.
Dal zabar.
Very good. Next one, sister.
Sad zabar.
MashaAllah. Next one.
Sharpen.
Right. Great. Very good. Wonderful job. Zal Zabar.
Sharpen.
Next one.
Sharpen.
Right. Next one.
Sharpen.
MashaAllah. Sister, you read the whole chapter. The whole chapter you read. MashaAllah. So, very easy chapter. So, this symbol name is Zabar. Zabar. And next one. Now tell me please about Zabar. Zabar will show up or down?
Up.
All the time up. And this symbol name is Zair. What's name?
Say.
Right. Zair.
Say.
Yeah, you can spell like this and you can spell like this. Zair or Zer. Zair. So now sister, same please read both letter, this one and symbol. Hamza. Hamza, Zair. Okay, next one.
Say.
Ain, Zair.
Say.
Next.
Say.
Right, next one.
Say.
MashaAllah, next one.
Say.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, next one.
Say.
Right.
Say. Say. Swat. Say.
Okay, now sister, first one and second one. First one and second one. What was that? Sod.
Swat. Seven.
Right, and this one Sod.
Swat. Say.
Right. Dal Zabar
Seven.
and Dal.
Say.
Right, next one.
Seven. Say.
Okay, mashallah, great. Next one, Ain
Seven.
and
Say.
mashallah, great sister, great. And this one, Hamza Zabar
Seven.
and Hamza.
Say.
And next one sister. Next one is Pesh. Next one is Zabar will show all the time up like this slash and Zair all the time down. Zabar and Zair same but Zabar up, Zair down. Is that clear sister? Zabar and Zair. And Pesh, this one is Pesh like a 9. This one is Pesh and Pesh will show all the time up. Pesh will show all the time. Right. Pesh is you can see like 9, like wow. You can imagine what is this. Okay, Pesh. So this one is Pesh. So now Hamza Pesh. Right sister. And this one please, Ain Pesh. Next one. Right sister. Next one. Right. Next one. Okay, this one Jim Zair. This one. Mashallah, great. Ya zabar.
Ya sabar. Ya zeb. Ya bed.
Right, pesh. Lam zabar.
Lam sabar.
Lam zer.
Lam
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 pesh.
bed. Fish.
Okay, now sister, please read these three letters. Zal.
Dal dal zeb. Dal fish.
Is this dal or zal?
Zal.
Yeah, zal pesh. Okay, mashallah. And last one, please. Ba zabar.
Ba sabar. Ba zeb. Ba fish.
Mashallah, sister. Now we knows letters, all the letters. We knows symbols like this one is zabar, this one is zer, this one is pesh. So now there is one thing left. This is called sound. This is called sound. This one is very easy, very easy. For zabar, sister, zabar sound is a. Zabar sound is yes a. So zer sound is e. Zer sound is and pesh sound is o. O. A e o. A for zabar sound is a. For zer sound is. For pesh sound is u. U. So for example, sister, there is hamza now. So hamza zabar a. Hamza is a letter and this one is zabar. Hamza zabar and his sound is a. First we will read letter, then symbol, then sound. Hamza zabar a. Hamza. Right. Great. 5 times please. Hamza zabar a.
Hamza sabar ha. Hamza sabar ha. Hamza sabar ha.
Right. And next one is Hamza zer e.
Hamza zeb e.
Yeah. 3 times please.
Hamza zeb. Hamza zeb e. Hamza zeb e.
Okay, first sound is a. First sound. Right? Sound a. Second sound is
E.
yeah. First and second sound 2 times please. A e.
A e. A e.
Right. And third sound is whole Hamza pesh u. U.
Hamza
So
zeb
right, sister. Hamza pesh u. Do you understand now? A e u how to spell? So पता नहीं जी लगे मैंने जरूर. Okay, a e u, right? So now sister, please listen carefully. Next point I am saying, this one is very necessary. Please understand. For example, there is ba. For example, there is ba. Okay, not hamza. So then it will be ba zabar ba. Okay, hamza zabar is a. If there is ba zabar, it will be ba. It will be ba. Like this one is a, and we will add like a first part, first point of next letter, first part only first, like b. Okay, so it will be now ba. First it was a, now this is ba, now this is
जो किधर पढ़े सो
बस पानी. Now this is ba, ba zabar, right, and ba zer, how it will be? We will add there b. What is this? Ba zer b, right, and ba pesh will be boo, right, very good, mashallah, you understand. So this is I'm winding up class, please listen carefully. Today what we learned this is zabar, this is zer, and this is pesh. And whenever you see alif, only alif without any symbol, so it's alif. If you see alif with symbol, if there is zabar or zer or pesh, then this is not alif, this is hamza. Understand? This is hamza. And zabar always come upside, and zer will show down, and pesh will show all the time up, but like a 9 or wow, you can say. Okay. And tomorrow inshallah I will ask these all question. For zabar sound is a, for zer sound is, and for pesh sound is o. So this is hamza, hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh o, like this. If there is ba, ba zabar ba, ba zer b, ba pesh bu. If there is ta, so ta zabar ta, ta zer ti, ta pesh tu. If there is jim, jim zabar ja, jim zer ji, jim pesh ju. Is this concept clear, sister? Is this concept clear?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any question?